extremely well. It takes over the place of your iron decontamination and clay bar. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Stamps Bros. Today marks 1 week of when we applied rain speed to Amelia's car. If you haven't already checked out that video, it'll be linked at the end, and let's jump right in and see how it's doing so far. So off camera, really quick, all we did was wash the wheels, do the first step of the wash process. This is the second here, this is Purifica. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so really quick, the first thing that I do notice, and if you guys remember from last video, is we did a professional side on the driver's side here, and we did a DIY side on the passenger side. And really fast, what I can tell is, you guys seen there was thick foam going on, and even on the driver's side, it's already performing a lot better, and that's after just 1 week. So it just shows bringing it to a professional is always better, but you can still apply products yourselves. Over on the DIY side, when I first put the first foam on, Supremus, when I was rinsing it off, it was still beating really well. It's just with the foam, or I guess any heavier contaminants on the windows, you can tell the professional side does a lot better. Okay, so we're not gonna let Purifica sit on the car for too long. If you guys don't know Purifica, it takes over the place of your iron decontamination and clay bar, but it can also build up, start lime scale buildup on your car, so you don't wanna leave it for too long, especially if the car is not heavily contaminated. And we just washed her car last week, so it's not that heavily contaminated, so we don't wanna leave it on for that long. But anyways, let's rinse it off right now. Okay, so my final thoughts, and don't worry guys, we're gonna be drying the vehicle off camera. You should always dry the vehicle. We're gonna be doing that, don't worry. So my final thoughts are both sides are doing extremely well. We got close-ups of us just spraying water on there so you guys can see what it's like driving in the rain. And then anything that's stationary like this, your wipers are gonna have absolutely no problem wiping that off. So it's really good to use in the rain. It's extremely easy to clean your windshield now, and we've been driving this outside nonstop for a week. There's bugs everywhere, there's dust on the road, it did rain. And we barely had to use our wipers in the rain, and two, the bugs came off with ease. I didn't even use any specific chemicals to get the bugs off. So it's super easy to maintain your vehicle or your windows with this on. The only difference, and I mean only difference that I did notice, is the professional side beaded a lot more with the thick foam going on it. So with soap going on to your windows, even the thickest foam that we possibly had, the professional side did a lot better at beading during that. But with just water, both sides are doing the exact same. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe, give us a like, check out our online store, and I'll catch you guys on the next detail.
Here at Stamps Bros, we're recognized as one of Calgary's premier detailing spas. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every vehicle entrusted to us leaves looking its best. Join us on this channel as we showcase our passion for cars, detailing expertise, and exciting car content. At Stance Bros, we're cultivating a community united by our passion for all things automotive.
Nice stance, bro.